In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels without having to create a new Gmail account. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful, and let's get right into the video. You already have another YouTube channel on your existing email address, so make sure you are logged into YouTube with that account and click on your profile at the top corner of the YouTube web page. Because you already have a YouTube channel, you can see this YouTube Studio option and view channel on the open menu. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the option and select settings to open your account's settings page. Under where you can see your YouTube channel, you can also see the existing YouTube channel you have, and all you have to do is select the add or manage your channel option. In the newly opened page, you can see the channel that you have on your existing email address. And since we are creating another channel, just click on the create channel button. It would open this page where all you have to do is input a name for your new YouTube channel and check the checkbox under the input text field to accept YouTube's terms and conditions. When you are done, just hit the create button to create your new YouTube channel. You would be redirected to the YouTube web page where you can see your newly created channel. When you click on your profile and move to switch account, you can now see we have two channels under the same Gmail. Our new channel looks virtually empty. So what we'll do is click on the customize channel button under the channels about to redirect us to the YouTube Studio page. When the YouTube Studio page has opened, you would be welcomed with some short walkthroughs about the Studio page. So just go through to be able to find your way about the YouTube Studio page. In the YouTube Studio page, we were taken to the channel's customization tab, where you can add a logo, banner, and edit your channel to make it user-friendly. So I will leave that for you to do. And if you want to learn how to transfer ownership of the newly created channel to another Gmail, I will leave that video on the end screen and another video which would be recommended by YouTube for you to check it out. Keep learning and see you next time. Peace out.